Hello family, it's Jim Hawkins. Today is December 9th, 2025. As always, I try to make a quick video. This is probably going to take about 5 minutes. So we just got some news yesterday that we are over 500,000 new subscribers to Victory with Ash. If you do not know what Victory with Ash is, please look it up. It's VictoryWithAsh.com or hashtag VictoryWithAsh.com. The numbers are going up. If you are interested in this, please contact me either through Messenger or through Facebook. I'm on Instagram as well if you follow me on Instagram, or make a comment below. I'd like to share some information with you, but we're moving up in the numbers. 500,000 is nothing to be ashamed of. We are moving up, and it's very exciting. Again, Victory with Ash is a platform that we're going to be taught how to be a better person, be a better business person. We're going to be able to do several things. And again, we're moving up in the numbers, and if that doesn't excite you or interest you, then I don't know, maybe you're not paying attention to some things. But for me and for the people that I know, my friends that are within this, it's not really a company right now, but it is going to be a learning platform. I'd certainly like to have you join in with us. It's free, but you have to be invited. Whoever can invite you can send you a link. They'll send you a link through an email, and all you do is you go through, you sign up through that link. You do what's called a Know Your Customer, or KYC. You would need your driver's license or a passport or some form of ID to get in. But once you're in, once Ash puts this all together, we're all going to start learning, and we're going to start being able to do all kinds of things. Like I said, better person, better business person, better marketer. There's going to be several things, especially when this company does start. You'll be able to take all this information and incorporate it into your business. And we all are individuals. These are just characteristic things that we're going to be taught that will help us be a better person and to better our business. If you do have a business, this will not hurt in any means, in any way. Again, it's going to teach you things that you may or may not know. It's going to be taught by people who are experts in their field, and it's things that have already been successful for them, and they're going to teach us on how to do this. So again, being short and sweet, I hope you're all doing good. If you haven't noticed my background, it's a little chilly out here today. This is my backyard. I'm sure you can probably hear the dogs barking in the other house across the way, which you can probably see. Maybe, I don't know if you can see through the snow, but it snowed pretty good. I think we got about 3 to 5 inches in some areas here in Virginia, again in the States. It snowed again earlier in the week. It all melted off, and it's just the beginning of December. Actually, it is pretty much the beginning of December, so I'm sure we'll get some more snow. But if you don't like this, I was raised in the Chicago area. I've had enough snow in my life. Luckily, I'm off today. If you're not aware, I'm a mail carrier here in Roanoke, Virginia, and I'm usually in it, moving about in it, delivering packages, playing Santa Claus. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the scenery. I'll kind of go away just a little bit so you can see a little bit better. But this is my backyard. Again, you can see the snow. I don't know if you can see, there's a creek back behind that runs. It's called Beaver Dam Creek. Too much information, you guys, please. I don't mind you coming to visit, but I don't need you all coming at one time. So anyway, hope you guys are having a good time. Go Ash. Keep doing what you're doing. Go Ash team in the background. Again, I do appreciate you all, and hopefully Christmas is coming up soon. So anyway, love you guys, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.